Simple hose reel. All we've got to do, guys, is obviously we've got a safety chain on here to stop it unraveling on the road in case you don't do your lock up tight. So first things first, just undo the chain and the D shackle, make sure that's undone, and just simply pull the hose reel out. That's how you pull the hose out. And obviously when you want to use the hose, all you've got to do is come up and turn your manual handle on over here, and that'll get your fluid coming through your hose. And when we want to rewind our hose reel, there's a handle in here. We obviously undo the grub screw, pull the handle out, and over onto the passenger side here, you'll see there's a mechanism here that we just clip our handle onto and simply wind up.
If you would ever come across any other problem that you can't sort out from these videos, you can always visit our website at stgglobal.net and download the manuals for any of our trucks. Or you can reach out to our staff, who are always ready to help at 1300998 784.